everybody. Today we're going to do a product review. This product from Shine Armor. It's a ceramic leather cleaner. Here's what it looks like. Just to give you perspective, I have not cleaned the leather of the HELLCAT for about 3 months. So we're going to see if this product works real well. This is a video that's recommended by Shine Armor that I do to show you guys how well this works. So as you guys know, the leather of the HELLCAT is Napa leather. It's a very soft, high quality leather that you know, it's very nice to sit in and feels very nice to the touch. So we're gonna try this out. It comes with the purple towel right here. The wipes are inside here, and like I said, I have not cleaned this HELLCAT leather in about 3 months. So here's what it looks like. See it there, and we're gonna try it out. So let's go. This is Shine Armor. It's ceramic leather cleaner wipes. So the wipes are inside, as you can see, and I'm gonna test this out. I usually like to clean the steering wheel first because, you know, there's a lot of oils and dirt in my hands when we're trying to, you know, drive this car. So let's see how this works out with the steering wheel right here. All right. I like it because it's wipes. You know, you don't get the overspray of, you know, the spray-on wipe. So the structure of this is to wipe the leather like this, like so. So you can clearly see that it's cleaning this. This is probably the dirtiest leather here in the car is in the steering wheel, because as you know, your hands are always dirty, and you know, the oils and all the dirt in the hands come in contact with this leather right here. So that looks nice and clean. Let it dry out and buff it shine. That's the instruction. Let's get some more wipes so we can be ready. Like I said, I like it because it's wipes. It's not a spray can, because when you're dealing with a spray bottle, a lot of times you get overspray all over the place, and you don't notice it until, you know, a light shines on it at a certain angle, and then you'll see that you oversprayed all over the place. And I hate overspray. That's why I like this Shine Armor product, because it is a wipe, much easier to use. Man, this seats right here haven't been cleaned in 3 months, so it will condition this and clean it, because, you know, in and out, blue jeans, all those kind of things are not very good for the leather seats. All right. So the fact that this is a wipe like this I highly recommend it, because if you ever use spray on cleaner or even spray on leather conditioner, you really have to be careful in spraying it, because you'll get overspray all over the place. So this gives a thumbs up for me, just because it's a wipe. All right, let's go ahead and clean some more of the seat. Here is probably the dirty part, right? Because in and out with, you know, blue jeans and all those things. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit to see the background of the seats. So the seat backs right here. It's currently about 54 degrees outside, so, you know, sucks. Winter here in Illinois kind of sucks, because you can't really clean the cars as much as you would like to. So, you know, this is the best you can do. You know, when the weather breaks like today, I don't know how long this is gonna last, the weather, you know, you do your best to come out here and clean. you know, clean as much as you can, and then put the car in storage again, because when it starts to snow, there's gonna be salt all over the roads. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, this product kind of works because I like that it's a towel. It's a wet towel, ceramic towel cleaner, and I don't get the overspray from your typical spray-on bottle cleaners, right? So the instruction is to wipe the leather clean like so, and buff it dry. Okay, so since I've wiped it enough, I'm gonna go ahead and buff this dry. They provide you with 2 towels in it. Let's buff this to shine. It should provide some long-lasting protection for this leather. As you know, this Napa leather is very, very soft. I don't know if the temperature today has any impact on properties of the product, but I can already see that the leather right here, when we started it first, was a bit dry and a bit dull, and you can see right now, I don't know if the camera picks it up, it's shiny. It looks brand new again. Let me get that camera situated so we can see the comparison to the other side. All right, so you see the leather is shinier and cleaner with the use of the Shine Armor ceramic leather cleaner wipes. Look at the other side. This hasn't been touched. As you can see, it's a bit dull. It doesn't have the shine, and in fact there's dirt over there. Let's try that out there later. As this one, it's not only clean, but it's kind of shiny, which is probably protecting the leather and conditions this leather. So there you go, Shine Armor. Check it out. I'll link the product in the description below, and I believe I'm gonna have a link from Shine Armor so you guys can purchase the product with a discount through my link. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful to you. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on the other side and show you the finished product. Okay, the finished areas that I've cleaned with this Shine Armor. Shine Armor, highly recommended. All right, we're on the passenger side. As you saw earlier, there was a dirt in there that actually bothered my wife because she was asking me what it was. She thought it was a rip in the leather, but it was dirt. So I used the Shine Armor ceramic leather wipes on it, and look at that, gone. It's not there no more. I'll put a little video in here to show you what it looked like earlier. So the seats were dirty, haven't been cleaned in 3 months, but look at them now. Look at them shine. Just a little bit of wiping, a little bit of buffing. Not so much work, not so much labor, but the results are outstanding. And I like it because they're wipes. They're not spray bottle, which gives you sometimes a overspray. So as you can see, I'm very satisfied with the results here of Shine Armor. Highly recommended. Check out the link in the description below on how to order. There might be a discount link there too, so check them out. Okay, this works on my Napa leather, demonic red color leather here on my HELLCAT. Very nice. Now I continue cleaning in the back. So hope this video helps you out. Check out Shine Armor, link in the description. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now.